If you're wondering if interest rates are going to continue to keep going up, then this video is for you. Recently, the Reserve Bank of Australia raised the cash rate by 0.5%, bringing the total cash rate to 0.85%. And the number one question on everyone's lips is, are rates going to continue rising? The short answer in the next 2 to 3 years is yes. Interest rates are going to continue to rise. Why? Well, in 2 words, rising inflation. Let me explain. First off, there is a current war between Russia and Ukraine that is putting huge pressure on fuel, gas, and wheat prices. Then, there are global supply shortages as a result of the COVID-19 global pandemic. And finally, with economies strengthening the way they have and governments pumping money into the economies to make sure they didn't fall over during COVID, rates were never going to remain at their low emergency rate levels. But as Jurgen Klopp always says, be cool. Why? Well, because when you go for a loan in Australia, the banks are assessing your ability to manage and service that loan at 3% above the current interest levels. So in other words, you go to the bank and they offer you money and say that you can afford this mortgage, you know that you've got a 3% buffer between the current cash rate and what the banks are assessing your ability to service that mortgage at. Like or share for more tips and videos. And are we connected yet?